Welcome to How to Solve.
In today's video, I will teach you how to add your Shopify store link to TikTok. So the first thing you need to do is to hop into your Shopify account. And then once you are here, click on Settings. And here you will find your Shopify store link. So what we have to do is to copy that. Now the next step is to go into your TikTok account. I just want to make it clear that if you do not have 1,000 followers, you cannot add a website unless your Facebook is a business account. So how can we add this Shopify store link into our TikTok account that has less than 1,000 followers? So simply view your profile, and we are already here, and then you will see this edit profile and click on that. So under bio, you can just simply paste your Shopify store link. And once you've saved that, this will show. And your Shopify store link will become your bio. And eventually people will copy that. And let's try to see it. And that's it. This is my store. It's not open yet, but that's just how it works.
Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.